Do you want to learn how to change project name on InstaDoodle? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to instadoodle.app and make sure to go inside a project by clicking here or clicking on this and then editing it. You can also rename it by clicking on this button and renaming the project from here. Or you can go inside the project and on the top, you're going to find this pencil icon. Click on it and change the project name from here. Now, instead of clicking somewhere else, just press enter on your keyboard and that's how it's going to get saved. The project name is going to get saved. And that's it. This is how to change project name on InstaDoodle. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know with a like and comment. And if you want to see a full tutorial on it, you will see it on the right. There will be a playlist. Inside it, I will have many tutorials on InstaDoodle and even a full tutorial on it. So check it out. See you in the next one.